Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for so much being here today. Today's video is gonna be my book recommendation videos for specifically for the beginners, because I know a lot of people who are watching this video do not have any idea to where to start. So yes, this video is for you. And if you are a person who really loves bookish content, so you can check my Bookstagram, which I have created recently, which is Grow Using Books, in which I create many more bookish content which you will not see in YouTube. So yeah, without any further ado, I think we should get started. And please watch the video till the end, because the number 5th book is really interesting and I really find it very enjoyable when I was in 10th and 11th grade. So yeah, let's get started. So the number 1 book which is I'm going to recommending you is the Harry Potter series. So I know like half of you who are watching this have already read it or haven't read it. If you actually, then my advice is that just pause this video, go and read the book and then come back, because Harry Potter books are absolutely great. If you don't know, Harry Potter is basically a book written by J.K. Rowling, which kind of gives you a magical tale of a young boy who studies in a visiting school. And oh my god, I like talk to this forever. And so I highly recommend that you should go and read that books, and I give you guarantee that you will not find it boring, because it is so much good. So the number 2nd book which is I'm going to recommending you is The Alchemist. So I read this book when I was in 9th grade and find it really enjoyable. It's a self-help book which talks about a magical tale in which a person who is have a destiny to find treasure, but instead he finds something more valuable than gold, and that is the whole story about it. Like, that's the quick synopsis which I talked about it. And oh my god, I really enjoyed it. And when I was in 9th grade, I like went into this book and was obsessed with philosophy and other things. And I find it very easy to read, and it's very like fast paced, so I highly recommend that too. So the number 3rd book which is I'm recommending is the Nancy Drew books, which is written by Caroline Keene. So this book is basically about mystery and suspense, in which a detective, which is Nancy Drew, have a quest to find the ultimate killer and who is behind it, all the stuff which is happening in the book. And this is basically a whole series, like it's not, and all the books are standalones. So if you haven't read the 1st or 2nd book, you can jump to 3rd and 4th book as well, because there is the another story, and I find it very interesting. Like, that was so good. Pacing of the story was really good. Like, when you read the first page, the mystery starts, and probably you will end up with that very soon. I decided to take a non-fiction book in my book recommendation video, because non-fiction books, when I started reading in the previous year, it's just completely made me a better version of myself, and it also makes my personality boost up. So I highly recommend that you should read The 5 AM Club, which is a non-fiction book by the Robin Sharma. This book talks about a kind of method when you are waking up at 5 AM and you are utilizing that time in yourself when everybody is still sleeping, and you are making a progress when everybody is lagging behind it. And this book is really good, and it's very easy to read, and you will find much more things and insights which are very truthful, and which gives you a perfect reality of what are the things which are going on. And the number 5th book, which is like the ultimate best book that I'm currently reading. Like, it's not the best book, but it's still one of my favorites, and that is the Dan Brown collection of his books. So Dan Brown is an author who have wrote Da Vinci Code, which is the ultimate bestseller, and I'm currently reading Deception Point. So it's like Dan Brown have wrote like 6 books, and all the books are indeed, it's great. So I fell in love with Dan Brown when I read Da Vinci Code, which it's talk about suspense and mystery. Like, all the books are suspense and mystery and comes into the category of thrillers. So if you are very person who is interested in thrillers, so highly recommend it, because Dan Brown books are one of my favorites. and they are such a great, like at each and every chapter he will just left you with a cliffhanger, and you just fly through the book like very quickly, and it's very easy to read. Not only it talks about the suspense and mystery, it also gives you much more knowledge, which is like the facts and the other tiny bit of things which will make you interesting to read this book more and more and more. So yeah, that is my book recommendation video. I hope you like it. If you really like it, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that is the video. I know it's very short, but I know it's very accurate for the persons. So see you till then.